Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Assyrian Dishes Gardening. I'm Julian and today I'll be showing you how to grow radishes in a container from seed. So let's start gardening. These are the equipment you will need to grow your carrots and radish seeds. You will need some organic vegetable potting soil, some mulch or wood chip for drainage. This is the potting soil, the mulch. You'll need worm castings, organic fertilizer, organic water-soluble fertilizer, seeds, labels, and a 15.5 or 16-inch container with drainage holes. First thing you need to do is add the mulch or wood chips at the bottom for drainage. Then we add the potting soil. Get rid of any clumps. Just up to the line here. Looks great. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is add a cup of the worm castings. Mix it in the soil. And we'll add a tablespoon of the fertilizer. Just check with your fertilizer. For each different vegetable, you need a different amount of fertilizer. Mix it in the soil. Now I'm going to plant the carrot seeds in the middle and the radishes I'll plant on the outside. On the back of the package it says you need to plant about 5 centimeters apart. Carrot seeds are very small, so if you put 2 in one hole, we can easily thin them out later. So I'll try to put 1 carrot seed in there, put a hole there, go 1/4 inch deep and a finger length spacing. Now I'll plant the radish seeds. This is the same thing. Plant spacing is 5 centimeters or 2 inches apart and 1/2 inch deep. Place some holes around. I'm going to have a great harvest of radishes. And radishes grow within 20 to 25 days. So after you've harvested them, you can grow them again. The seeds are big, so you can easily just put them in. Place them in the hole, cover it up. Once they sprout up, you can always go back, plant another seed next to it. So you'll have a continuous harvest. The next thing we're going to do is I've placed a 1/2 cap of this water-soluble fertilizer into my watering can. Just have to water it. Make sure to check your soil every day if it needs watering, and also add the water-soluble fertilizer every 14 days. And don't forget to label carrots and radishes. It's been 5 weeks since I planted the radish seeds in a container. Now it's time to harvest them. Radish in Assyrian is called pele, or some say fijil. Look at these beauties inside. Wow, they look great. Let's take them out. Now I've planted the carrots inside, so I'm not going to disturb them. Radish grow very quickly, so it's easy to harvest. Take one out like this. They're ready to harvest as soon as you see them coming out of the soil like this. There you go. Wow, what a little beauty. I'll continue taking them out of the container and I'll come back and wash them down. I love using radish in fattoush salad or on the side with rizz smoka. For all recipes using radishes, don't forget to check out my playlist on recipes using radish. You can also cut the leaves off the radishes to use in salads. They're delicious. I'm just going to wash down the roots. Just like that. And I'll clean them a little bit more inside. Look how beautiful red color. Look at that. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video with your friends. Happy gardening, everyone.